you want to enjoy enhanced gameplay, follow this simple guide to optimize your gaming setup. After connecting your game console to the TV, go to the 2021 New Home. You can find the game console option in the Home dashboard. This is your gaming shortcut. Now, let's set up the Game Optimizer. Press the Settings button on your remote and select Game Mode from the menu bar. Select General to open the Game Optimization menu. At the top of the Game Optimization menu, you can see your current settings, and below this are several customization options. First, let's look at the Game Genre menu. From here, you can optimize picture for different types of games. There are 4 different options. Select the genre of game you wish to play. Next, let's check out the black and white stabilizers. These automatically adjust the contrast levels as you play. By turning on OLED Motion Pro, you can enjoy smoother gameplay even in fast-paced scenes. And for increased visual comfort, turn on the Reduce Blue Light option. You can also prevent input lag at the touch of a button. Don't forget to turn on AI Game Sound to experience all the action with perfectly balanced sound effects. And here's the real game changer. Just choose the option for you. Ready for victory now?
There's nothing left for us here. I don't think over here is.
Now you've mastered game optimization. No more lagging behind the competition. Take the upper hand with optimized gameplay.